waterfalls. This is the area actually. You need to sign a paper. You can get a locker here for 100 pesos. And I need to actually see if we can take our mobiles or some cash with us. I will let you know. We are getting our vests, and we also need helmets, and then we are ready to go.
Go.
We are finally here. We were waiting for so long, but yeah, we are here, ready to go. It is approximately 1 kilometer to get to waterfalls, and it's really hot and humid. I don't know if you can see it, but they are ziplining at 700 pesos if you want to do it, and it will be quicker. Of course, in waterfalls we need to walk. We actually decided to walk. This is the end of zipline. If you do zipline, you will end up here, and we need to go down. It is actually good. It's just 4 of us here in our group with a guide, so perfect. And actually, if you want, I recommend to come at 8 o'clock. There is actually 2 spots, 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. and as less crowded in this first slot. It's really beautiful, but I can't wait to get to the water. I'm sweating like in hell. As you can see, it is crowded. Be prepared for the crowd. I think it's almost every day.
This way?
Yes.
Kung ano eh? Boss, dali na boss.
Alright, sir. Jumping. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, bro.
It's your turn.
One, two, three, go! One more. Yay! Nice! Sparta! Wow! I can believe I can fly to the sky. Oh! Country road, take me home to the place I belong. Country mama, take me home. Country road. Okay, straight down your head, down your head. Hold your best, hold your best. Okay, up, just rock, straight your body straight. And then close your eyes because you fall in 10 meters waterfalls. Okay, close your eyes. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh. What's the waterfall? Coming. Okay, no waterfall. Ma'am, long step, long step. You okay?
Oh, this is so funny. I love it.
One, 2, 3, go. I remember. 1, 2, 3, go. Sata. Shallow. Up with the rudder.
This is amazing.
This is the secret part.
Wow.
See. And then you can follow me here because we have a jumping area here. You can do it the side here, the side. No. Here.
All right.
Side. Because I will have a jumping. Here. Follow me. Up. Really. How many times per day you do it? No, only once. Up, no dancing. Take me home.
Lola!
One more. Woo! Last one. Woo! Perfect. Thank you. Before that, at 15 meters. No. Here. Computer. Say hi. Say hi. Mission accomplished.
So is this end?
Mission accomplished.
We are so good. This is actually the last spot, and after that we just have a lunch. It was amazing. I will tell you more a little bit when I finish my swim here.
Bye bye, Kawasan! Woo! Last one! Yay! Perfect!
This is the end of the tour. You can buy here some snacks if you want, but we have a lunch, so we will wait for a lunch. If you want to go just to Kawasan waterfalls, it's the last waterfall, the big one. You can pay there what you saw in a video. I think it was 300 pesos, but you can just visit the waterfall. You can take some pictures, etc. But you will not do this whole tour like we did with a guide. You can actually do this without the guide. You can just pay and go. And if you have kids, it's actually better to just go to visit waterfalls and not do this whole road, because kids under 7 years old, they can't do it. And I think even like older kids, it would be so hard for them to do it. A couple of other things: if you are scared of heights, yeah, it's in your consideration if you want to do it or not. I had a friend with me, she is scared of heights, but she managed to do it just fine. Also, if you have problems with some legs, knees or something like that, it would be hard for you as well. It requires lots of walkings up and down through rocks, and it's really slippery. So yeah, make sure you have proper water shoes. I recommend to take a t-shirt, water t-shirt. We are going to have a food here. Here is our lunch. So this is the place which we booked for the waterfalls. There is so many of guides, many of companies which do the same, but I was actually really happy with this one, so it's the reason why I recommend that. And we had two tour guides for 4 adults. It's always one tour guide for 2 adults, which is actually perfect. We had Jeremy and Jedri, and they were amazing. They took lots of pictures, lots of videos, so actually this video is thanks to them. So I can only just recommend this place. You can come here and you can book it straight away, and they can provide taxi, like a shuttle bus from your hotel to here and vice versa. Here are contact details if you want to book it. We actually paid 1,900 pesos per adult, and yeah, that's this one. But you can choose something else if you want. They have lots of options.